So I think this market is kind of going in three different directions. So there's one segment that you can think of as the meme coins, right? Dogecoin and others, where they could be categorized as investing as entertainment. And it's hard for me to predict where they're going to go, but I don't see them as having a very big future in the ecosystem. There's a second part of the ecosystem, which is around Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has attached itself to a value proposition as digital gold. In fact, in some ways, it's better than gold because when the price of gold goes up, people mine more, but you can't really do that with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to go up if everybody buys into this idea that you should have some percentage of your portfolio in Bitcoin. That will drive a lot of participation. And then the third ecosystem that could potentially diverge here is the Ethereum ecosystem, which is building this whole business ecosystem around decentralized financial services and decentralized compute and storage. And that'll be driven by demand for those services and the growth of that ecosystem. So three very different stories. These markets could be very different. And we'll stop talking, I think, in a year about crypto as a whole and start talking about the Ethereum ecosystem or the Bitcoin value proposition.
Okay, so you think all these three entities will branch out to pretty much, find their own identity in the broader ecosystem. I want to understand China's role here, and how are you seeing what's happening in China in terms of the crackdown on Bitcoin mining, and what that crackdown would mean for Bitcoin supply in the future and thereby the market?
So China's got several really big kind of roles in this ecosystem. One is as a home to many of the big mining companies, but those mining companies are able to move their mining outside of China. So it's very possible that a year from now, the mining facilities, the newer ones, will be outside of China, or the energy consumption will be much greener, and it'll be a slightly different story. I think China's impact in the long run is going to be much, much bigger in two areas. First of all, around the launch and deployment of central bank digital currencies. And secondly, around the use of blockchain technology for business ecosystems.